In today's world, security is paramount. We all want to protect our homes and loved ones. The UNIY 610 Smart Digital Door Lock offers a cutting-edge solution. This innovative lock combines advanced technology with user-friendly features. With the UNIY 610, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing your home is safe and sound. The UNIY 610 is more than just a lock, it's a smart home upgrade. It offers a seamless blend of security and convenience. This review will explore the key features that make the UNIY 610 the ultimate security gadget for any modern home. From its versatile access methods to its robust security features, the UNIY 610 is designed to exceed expectations. Let's delve into what makes this lock a game changer in home security. One of the standout features of the UNIY 610 is its versatile access control. It eliminates the need for traditional keys, offering multiple ways to unlock your door. The UNIY 610 incorporates advanced fingerprint recognition technology. It also supports RFID card access for added convenience. For a traditional approach, it comes with a keypad for PIN code entry. And of course, a manual key option is available as a backup. The UNIY 610 excels in its security features. Designed to give you peace of mind, it acts as a vigilant guardian. Notable is the built-in theft alarm, detecting unauthorized entry. A loud alarm sounds if tampered with, deterring intruders. It also features a wrong PIN alarm, locking down after multiple incorrect attempts. Crafted with high-strength materials, it resists physical attacks and provides lasting protection. Section 4. User-friendly design and installation. Beyond its robust security features, the UNIY 610 also shines in its user-friendliness. It boasts a thoughtful design that makes it incredibly easy to install and use. The lock is designed to seamlessly integrate into your home. The UNIY 610 features a reversible handle, making it compatible with both left-handed and right-handed doors. You can easily adjust the handle direction during installation to suit your specific door configuration. This adaptability ensures a perfect fit for any home. Installation of the UNIY 610 is straightforward and can be done with common household tools. However, it is highly recommended to contact customer support for guidance before initiating the installation process. This ensures proper installation and optimal functionality of your lock. The customer support team is readily available to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. They can guide you through the installation process step by step. You can reach them at +91 9513 784194. Such as the reversible handle and straightforward installation make it a joy to use. Remember to reach out to UNI's dedicated customer support team at +91 9513 784194 before installation. They are there to ensure a smooth and hassle-free setup process. Upgrade your home security today with the UNIY 610 Smart Digital Door Lock and experience the future of home protection.